Hi viewers. You are watching Millennium Academy Accounting Hub. In this video, you will learn how to prepare statements of affairs for the start and end of the accounting period, how to calculate profit or loss. Mr. John, who operates a small business and maintains records on a single entry basis, provides the following information. Prepare statements of affairs as of January 1, 2024, and December 31, 2024, and calculate the profit or loss for the year using the statement of affairs method. First, we prepare a statement of affairs as of January 1, 2024. This statement is similar to a balance sheet, lists the assets and liabilities at the beginning of the period. Capital is then calculated by subtracting total liabilities of $3,000 from total assets of $19,000, resulting in an opening capital of $16,000. The second step is to prepare a statement of affairs as of December 31, 2024, listing all assets on the asset side and all liabilities on the liability side. Capital is then calculated by subtracting total liabilities of $4,000 from total assets of $25,000, resulting in a closing capital of $21,000. Calculate profit or loss using the statement of affairs method. The formula is profit or loss equals closing capital minus opening capital minus additional capital plus drawings. Substituting the values. Profit or loss equals closing capital $21,000 minus opening capital $16,000. Therefore, John's business made a profit of $5,000 for the year.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.